going on, YouTube? Today we about to play Survive Natural Disasters. Well, survive the desert. Oh my god. We're going to play Survive the Disasters. Surprisingly, this game is still active. Yo, what? Robloxy in high school. I'm gonna have to play that another time. Let's load it up, baby. What the hell? I just joined in and the first thing I see is raining hot dogs. Also, if you guys didn't know, I recently got the Lumina. The fuck? What does that boy have? Illumina.
Shut your
Oh shit. My bad, gang. I ain't. So you mean to tell me this damn sword? Alright, you know what? That's fine. Whatever. Gotta turn this down. Raining who? Oh hell no. How did you get crushed? Oh shit. Alright. Who just got smacked upside the head with a raining nude, bro? That's wild. Holy shit. Weave. Damn, twin. Slice. We're gonna. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Why is everybody just chilling up here? What the fuck? It's actually a slime. You know what? That's actually pretty fire. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Hell nah, twin. Oh, they about to explode, bro. Nigga, why is he trying to fight them? Damn! I just saw that boy. Ooh, ooh. God damn it. I had a few seconds left on that damn thing. I like how the flying news just came in and it was just left. Can you just like get off, please? Cause like it's fucking up my ears, bro. Oh fuck nah, twin. Gotta run, gotta run, gotta run, 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 gotta run, gotta run, gotta. Hey! Flash flood. Oh shit. Yes, sir. We say. Okay, so that's how you turn it off. The guest ambush. Oh, hold on. Bring that ass, boy. Where he at? Come here, boy. Got him. Get Swiss cheese. Come on. Come on. We. Ooh, yeah. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Better catch that. Get it back. Step it back, twin. We slicing and dicing their ass. That's what I'm talking about. I can literally just stand here. Oh fuck. Shit. How are you still alive, bro? You're standing on a thin piece of thread. And you're perfect. Damn. They got Swiss cheese. Meat. Huh? Wait. I stepped onto the house. About to jump off. And I got something flying. That makes no sense. That actually makes no sense, bro. Shark attack. Boo. Never mind. Nah, fight his ass. Let me got the sword out. Oh shit. Ooh. Damn. Ain't nobody tell your stupid ass to run up to the shark, bro. That's what you get. That's what you get right there, bro. Idiot. Oh, no. Nah, twin. Hey, nah. Yeah. We gotta avoid them. Yeah. Why did he just crash into the damn wall like that? Let me just go on over here. And hide up in this house, bro. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We chilling. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ice. Let's see. Have I got any speed coil? Okay, yeah, I can afford the speed coil. Legion. Okay, so I can get both of those. I'm gonna hold on to the speed coil real fast. Nah, where he at? Where he at? Come here, boy. Oh, you can Swiss cheese him. Come on, Twink. Come on, Twink. Wait! Oh, come on. Ooh, surviving out here. They were dead ass pushing the snowball, bro. Watch this parkour trick. Okay, so he's going. Oh, whoa. I think we might be cooked. Yeah, I think we might be cooked. Ah, shit, I'm cooked. Yeah, please. Fuck! Bro, I was so close, too. That's what makes that work. How the fuck? Come here, Newt. Newt number 2. God damn. Newt. Come here, boy. Damn. God damn. All I gotta do is run into the ass. Boom. Got your ass. Wait, boom. Too easy, bro. Too easy. The fuck? Hold on. Is that Meowscarada from what's it called? Oh hell no, that's okay. So this is Meowscarada from whatever the hell it's called. Oh, Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, Gen 9, I believe. Bro, I'm not even going to ask what the hell you got on, brother. That's all yours, twin. That's yours for you. Damn, bro got stuck.
I'm a firing my laser!
Bro really said your ass get it immediately. God damn. Penguins? Oh hell yeah, come here. Yeah, what he at? Damn. Newt. Bring that ass here, boy. Got another one. Another one. Bro, you just touched the sword, you still died. Another one. Hold up. Another one. Yes, sir. What, bro? The map was so damn torn up. The game developer really said, "Nah, we gotta switch this real fast." I bet. Hold up. Can I hop up here? Yes, sir. I gotta craft the sword real fast. I gotta craft that sword. Let's see. I ain't got no sticks. Boy. I mean, shoot me with a damn arrow and stuff for it. I'm not your damn enemy, you crack-headed ass wolf. Bro, your aim is so doo-doo. Your aim is so ass cheeks, bro. Come on now. Look at you, bro. Ugly ass. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright. Oil spill. Oh, shit. Hell nah. You gotta climb that chair. And... Oh, come on! God damn, I'm black as hell. No, look at me, bro. Look at me. I'm black as fuck, bro. Hold on. I ain't that black, man. Come on. They doing too much. Soccer ball. Oh. Yo. How'd you shoot? Yeah, you're dead ass being annoying right now, dog. Nah, I'd be dead wrong if I did the same shit back to you, son. Damn! You just ran into a damn soccer ball. What, my guy? What type of username? Buddy, you sound like one of them brain-rotted kids I know, dog. Come on now. Oh, hell no! Nah, fuck nah, twin. Please. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Ooh. You can't touch me. Now imagine this damn bacon just got popped. Woo! Can't touch me. That's what I'm talking about. Pro gamer level skills right there, dog. The fuck? Bro, what the hell happened over here? Oh, wait. I think the damn rocket launcher did that. Where the damn meteorites at? Oh! Who is doing that shit? Yo!
Hell no. To the no. Hell to the no. Hell to the no. To the no.
I'm about to watch this nigga get fucking smoked. Yo, only 3 people survive. Y'all niggas are trash. Oh.
Wait.
You saw it and you knew it, twin. I might figure out how to. I know for sure after this video, I'm definitely adding some memes to this. Like the memes where the person died from getting exploded. I'm just gonna slap like some funny ass fighting meme on that shit, bro. Who is it with the damn cheeseburger? Thank you, nigga. Fuck. Oh, hell nah. Shit, somebody just got chopped out the sky. Damn.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Yeah.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please?
I don't know why. I just thought of a large hot dog just crushing somebody. Like, bro, standing, right? It's raining hot dogs or raining hats or something. Yo, can you stop being a goddamn pest, please? Your aim is actually butt cheeks, nigga. Hush. Sit your ass down, dog. Come on, twin. Bruh. Ah, shit. Yeah, while your bum ass out there playing and shit, the water came from your stupid ass. Look at your dumb ass. Look at you. What you gonna do now, nigga? Oh, punk bitch. Alright, what's up? Oh, nah. Oh, nah, twin. Hey, yo, buddy, chill. Oh, nah, twin, chill. God damn, he cooked back there. I'm about to see this. Yeah, he's literally flipping the house over. Oh, hell nah, twin. Holy shit. Nah. Bro did the house dirty. Why he flipped it over like that? Yo. Ah, hell nah. Do not touch it, you fucking idiot. You were not supposed to touch it, you dumbass, bro. Ah, shish kebab. Ew. What the hell? What didn't happen to the wall? What happened to the wall? Yo, the wall done bugged out though. That's wild, twin.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Ooh, new house, bro. New house. New place to explore. Let's go ahead and explore. Big place. Bro, this house is tiny. Let's go over here. Bro, this house is tiny as hell. It ain't even got a second story in it. That's depressing.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please? Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Bill, nah. Did he just leave? Yeah, bro just left the game. Bro's like, nah, fuck it, I'm out of here. Oh my god, these niggas are overdoing it. Dead ass overdoing it, bro. Oh wow, who got?
Cheeseburger, please.
Oh.
Cheeseburger, please.
Woo. Yeah, this is definitely a disaster right now, bro. Yeah, I think this is actually the first game I've ever played that's mostly been spent in first person. All the other games are either in third person or rarely ever in first person. Let's see. Zombie. Zombie. Come here, boy. Oh, damn. Woo! Oh, shit. What the fuck is happening? Oh, hey, mamma mia, hey, mamma mia. Whoa. I don't know why the hell he thought it was a good idea to run up to me knowing that I had a damn sword on me. Oh, hell no, twin. Oh, hell no. God damn. Oh, shit, bro just got blown up. Damn. Nah, brother just got his ass cheek blown up for this shit, man. Giant the Furry Fox. What the hell is that? Oh, hell no. I'm good, twin. Damn. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, hell nah, twin. What is that thing? How many points do I even have so far? 10,000. Oh, shit. Damn! Bro really blew your head off, twin. That boy really said, fuck nah, twin. Just slapped the shit out that boy. If I hear that noise one more time, you and this damn chicken, shut up. Oh, the giant snowman. Oh, he coming for you. He coming for you, twin. He gonna get you. Why he move so damn slow though? Yo, he's not even touching that boy. Okay, so yeah, I can't drop anything because I don't know how to. But let's see who we gotta face or what we have to face. Please don't be nothing freaking stupid. Oh, fuck. God damn. Everybody got Swiss cheese. I'm just over here chilling. Yeah, I think the power of the epic katana and the gaming katana, that shit turned the black hole. I'm the only person that's alive. It sucked up everything, bro. No pillars, no nothing. Everything was just gone, just dry. It's barren. Oh hell nah. Get me past them goddamn pies. What is your avatar? Yo, what is? Let me see how avatar look like. Not that bad. Oh shit! Damn! Who just got exploded, bro? No, somebody just had their head slid across the ground like a goddamn soccer ball. Yo, I think after this, I might be done. Oh, avalanche, easy to survive. Bro stood there that entire time and didn't get Swiss cheese by a single brand. Nice job, brother. Nice job, dog. Yeah, that's all for now, YouTube. If you liked, comment, subscribe. And I hope to make some more like this. I might even play the second one. But until then, peace out, folks.